Hello, I'm Sir Dash Masong. Welcome to my free college entrance test review sessions. Isama mo na rin ng friends and classmates mo para sabay-sabay tayong sumakses. Math 1. If f of x equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 5, find f of 3. A 14, B 20, C 26, or D 32. Sir Dash, paano isolve ito? First, you have to plug in yung 3 dun sa ating function. So that is 3. Plug in mo sa 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 would be 2 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus 5. Solving for it using the PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, that would be 2 times 9 minus 9 plus 5. 2 times 9 is 18, then minus 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is now equal to 14. The answer is letter A. See you sa next session. Math 2. If log of x base 2 equals 5, what is x? A 10, B 25, C 32, or D 64? To solve this, pwede mong i-rewrite yung expression na log of x base 2 equals 5 as 2 raised to 5 equals x. To solve that, 2 raised to 5 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that would be equal to 32. Ang common error dito is to multiply the 2 by 5. Mali po iyon. You should multiply the 2 by itself ng 5 times. So the answer is letter C, 32. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 3. The length of a rectangle is increased by 20% and the width is decreased by 10%. What is the percent change in the area? A, 8% increase, B, 8% decrease, C, 10% increase, or D, 10% decrease. To solve this, kailangan nating i-recall yung area ng rectangle. Alam natin that it is length times width. Sabi sa problem, yung length daw nag-increase ng 20%. 20% means 0.2 increase. So, yung original length na 1 length, gagawin mong 1.2 L. Yung width naman, nag-decrease daw ng 10%. 10% means 0.1. Ibig sabihin, from 1, mag-minus ka ng 0.1. So, you now have 0.9 W. Solve now the new area. 1.2 L times 0.9 W, you will have 1.08 LW or 1.08 ng original na area ng rectangle. Meaning to say, ang 0.08 means an 8% increase. So the answer is A. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 4. Solve for x. 2 raised to x plus 1 equals 8 raised to 2x minus 1. A 1/3, B 2/3, C 4/3, or D 4/5. To solve this, pwede mong express yung expressions mo with similar bases. Sa left, ang base niya ay 2. Sa right, ang base niya ay 8. Yung 8, pwede mong i-rewrite yon as 2 cubed. You will now have 2 raised to x plus 1 equals 2 raised to 3 times 2x minus 1. Now, similar na yung bases nila na 2. Pwede mo nang i-remove yon at i-equate yung exponents. That would be x plus 1 equals 3 times 2x minus 1. Solving for it, x plus 1 is equal to 6x minus 3. Combine like terms. Sa left side, pwede mong ilagay yung constants na 4. Sa right side, yung may x, that would be 5x. Divide both sides by 5, you will now have x as equal to 4 over 5. The answer is letter D. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 5. A laptop originally priced at 20,000 pesos is on sale for 30% off. What is the final price after the discount? A. 6,000, B. 12,000, C. 14,000, or D. 17,000. Maraming ways to solve it. Ang usual na ginagawa ng iba, kinukuha itong 30% off, tapos sinusubtract yon sa original price. Pero ito yung easier way. Pwede mo munang ang gawin dito, subtract mo yung 30% off sa 100%. Meaning to say, 70% na lang yung babayaran mo sa 20,000. So that would be 20,000 times 0.70. The answer is 14,000. So that is letter C. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 6. A circle has a diameter of 20 centimeters. What is its area? A. 31.4 square centimeters. B. 62.8 square centimeters. C. 314 square centimeters. Or D. 628 square centimeters. To solve this, recall natin yung area ng circle as pi r squared. Ang binigay sa problem ay diameter. But we know na ang radius ay half ng diameter. So ang gagawin lang natin, take the half of 20 centimeters, that is 10 centimeters. You now have the radius. Now yung pi is approximately equal to 3.14. We can now solve the area. That is pi r squared, so 3.14 times 10 centimeters square. Ibig sabihin, that's 3.14 times 100 square centimeters, so that's 314 square centimeters. The answer is letter C. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 7. In a right triangle, if sine theta equals 3 over 5, what is tangent theta? A. 3/4, B. 4/5, C. 4/3, or D. 5 over 4. Before we solve this, we have to recall the SOHCAHTOA. Malaking tulong ito. SOHCAHTOA is a mnemonic. Ibig sabihin ng SO ay sine of the angle is opposite over hypotenuse. So you have to look for the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse sides ng right triangle mo. Sa given na triangle na nasa screen, nakikita nyo meron kang angle A dyan, and the sine of that angle would be opposite over hypotenuse. Ang opposite ng ating angle would be side A, ang hypotenuse ay C. Yung ka naman means cosine of the angle. That's adjacent. Adjacent to the angle is B, all over the hypotenuse C. And yung tangent naman would be OA, opposite over adjacent. That would be A over B. Now, you have the sine theta, 3 over 5, meaning to say, yung sine ng angle mo would be equal to 3 over 5 daw. So that's A over C in this figure. A over C. To solve for B, kailangan mo nang gamitin yung Pythagorean theorem. That is C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Plug in the values, 5 squared equals 3 squared plus B squared. So nawawala si B. Solving for it, that would be equal to 4. Ibig sabihin, yung adjacent side daw is 4. Apply now the TOA, tangent of the angle would be opposite over adjacent. So that is 3 over 4. Yung leg na A over B. So the answer is letter A. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 8. Solve the system. 2x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1. A, 1, 2. B, 2, 1, C, negative 1, 3, or D, 3, negative 1. To solve this, pwede mong gamitin yung elimination. Meaning to say, pwede mong i-add itong dalawa. 2x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1, pwede mong ma-eliminate si y by adding them. You will now have 2x plus x is 3x plus 0y equals 6. Solving for x now, you will find out that x equals 2. So, alam mo na yung value ni x. To solve for y, you can use any of the equations and substitute it. I will use equation number 1. 2x plus y equals 5. Sa x mo daw is 2. Plug in, 2 times 2 plus y equals 5. So, y now equals 5 minus 4 or 1. So, you now have xy as 2, 1. The answer is letter B. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 9. What is the solution to the inequality 2x minus 5 is less than 7? A. X is less than 1. B. X is greater than 1. C. X is less than 6. Or D. X is greater than 6. To solve this, pwede mong i-combine yung like terms. So, ililipat ko yung negative 5 sa right side. That would be 7 plus 5. And that is equal to 12. Then, divide both sides by 2. You will find out that x is less than 6. That is letter C. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless. Math 10. What is the value of log of 1,000 base 10? A2, B3, C4, D5. To solve this, pwede mong isulat yung question as log of 1,000 base 10 equals x. Itong expression naman na ito, pwede mong i-rewrite as 10 raised to x equals 1,000. Then, si 1,000 can be expressed as 10 cubed. That's 10 times 10 times 10. Hence, your equation would now be 10 raised to x equals 10 cubed. You can remove now the base and solve for the exponent. You will see that x equals 3. So the answer is letter B. That's it. See you sa next session. God bless. Hashtag sana makatulong. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sir Dash Masong. Available din sa Facebook and TikTok. Isama mo na rin ang iyong mga friends and classmates para sabay-sabay tayong sumakses. God bless!